Hey, happy Fresh Cash Friday, everybody. 9:29. We got 30 seconds before market opens, but good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome. Man, what an insane day yesterday, man. I obviously I
Man,
jumped into the stream a little bit on my way to the haircut. I didn't really see too much excitement then, but then afterwards, man, it looked like the market just friggin' nosedived.
oh yeah,
Like, hold on,
insane.
still trying to digest everything. So Tuesday, Wednesday, hold on, where's Thursday? Thursday. Yeah, like 12:15 had a dump, and then that 1:45 dump. And then look at that 4 o'clock long though. Actually, that 4 o'clock long was insane. I forgot about that. I went back and saw your
Oh,
stream in Zero Dawn. Hey, morning, Lewis. I
it was
saw Zero
insane.
Dawn. Yeah, made like 550 points or something like that.
Yeah, he made over 200 on that 4 o'clock, just going in long with me at the bottom there. I mean, it was insane, bro. I mean, my
Absolutely
last
insane.
one was going to be take profit at like seven. I mean, I think it was like 740 or something. Would have
Yeah.
been like when it hit my TP, I would have made $740. It hit my TP, and that account was up $1,234.
Dude,
So it went
insane.
so fast that it made like an extra $500 or 480 or something.
With the slippage, dude. In
Yeah.
friggin' sane. And sorry, I just realized I gotta buy some Google.
Oh yeah.
How much? Whoa, Bubba. Darn it, man. Which I was trying to get the pre-market. It was down to 277, which not to say it's not going to keep going
Oh,
lower because we're kind of falling knife territory right now, but we're slowly accumulating shares. Man, same thing with Meta. Both these guys. Sorry, gang. I mean, we are a stock show, so we're kind of talking about stocks here, but at the moment, we're talking about Google and Meta. Oh, wow, bud. Wow. Man, my
that didn't
kid
work at all.
downloaded like the Pokemon app that shows you how much like cards are worth and stuff like that, and I've just been blowing it up.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how much.
Wow.
$146
All right, baby.
for this
All right,
one card.
let me concentrate now,
Oh
though.
my gosh.
All right, so I'm not even stinking paying attention to trading here. You're in a long. Let's see. Wick down nice.
Yeah, I got in a little too early. I kind of got in at that shelf right there at 610. It didn't
Yeah.
work, so I bought a few more at 600. So my average is 602 roughly, but getting a little push now. So
Thinking about it, 933.
everything's pointing down. So this is definitely not financial advice.
See if this 564 is key for downside, is what Lewis is saying. 564. No, let's see if we can't get one more little pop. But after that wick and this weakness, I kind of want to get out.
Oh, dude, this Pikachu card is $10.
Wow, bub. All right, well, set aside all the good ones then, man. You know, set aside the good ones. See what the heck happens with them. Got 20 seconds left in this candle. Man, it's kind of odd, right? It's just stalling out now. Very
Yeah.
indecisive. Very, very indecisive. I think down is going to be a little bit more probable than up almost at the moment, but there's 56. No bottom wick on this candle, so a little bit of caution.
I hate when you talk wicks like that.
I hate when you talk wiki to me. Oh
Yeah.
shit. All right, Lewis. We'll see if that 564 holds. This will be the very last ad. Otherwise, we gotta get the
Yeah.
heck out of this thing.
So I'm gonna have to change my password again.
But this is $26.
Come on, now would be a great time for this to turn around. We got
He's
20
looking pretty
seconds
weak.
left to this 5-minute candle. Let's see. I don't even have VIX or anything yet. What is VIX doing? VIX is spiking real good. Ah, shit.
I think Lewis is right. I don't see anything back here to the left, guys.
Yeah. We're on a 5-minute pivot point right now. Down here to the 50s. Yeah, we're just holding this for too long now.
Yeah, I'm going to get out right here at the 40s probably. All right, I'm out.
Oh, man. Oh, man. I hate getting out.
Look at
Hey,
right at
morning,
the
driving
bounce.
obsession.
Right at the bounce. Look at that. Right at the freaking bounce. Oh my gosh, that makes me sick.
Well, I'm not out of the woods yet. Nope, nope, not out of the woods yet. What time is it? We got 7 seconds left. Come on. See if we can't get a push back up, please. Strong push back up would be better.
Stop.
Small pullback to the 90s is what Lewis is saying. Yeah, to the 90 MA here. Oh man, she just wants to keep sinking. Shoot, buds. Let's see, where the heck? Yeah, I should have gotten out of all of them, but it was looking green for a sec. Shoot. ES is working on closing a gap to the downside. Man, I still hadn't even
We're buying the 1 mil today.
I mean, same thing. It's so hard to friggin' even zoom out on any of these charts and then see where is the last point of resistance. Come on, you stinking thing. Give me a green candle. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Well, there you go. If you hold it long enough, I guess, right?
Yeah, man.
Order filled.
Fuck me. There we go. Come on. Let's see what kind of push we can get.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Still down 100 from it, but better than we were down. So there you go. Gap is from August 1st, says
Don't worry,
Charles.
I'm making some money over here.
I appreciate you, bud.
I'm making more money than you. I'm already at $214.92.
You hear this kid?
How much money have you made?
He goes, "Don't worry, Dad. I'm over here making money."
Yeah. Yeah, his card's worth 130, so
Yeah,
he's got you
literally.
covered.
Oh my God.
You don't need to make money. I can make some money in the family.
Hey, I'm okay with that.
I've already made
I'm okay with that, sir. Shoot, I guess I should have held a little bit longer. I could have actually gotten out
Yeah,
of it.
once it got that bounce, I knew it was going to be golden, but
Shoot.
and I think I I mean, I don't know. I probably couldn't have held into that drawdown that much more. I mean, I think I only got like $500 left on that account after that, but
Oh, okay.
I mean, it was literally 10 more points. So
Yeah.
yeah, that would have killed that account. So.
It would have been close, which is always so frustrating too. That's happened to me so
Yeah.
many times, you know. Like that was last week, right? I blew up that account on Friday trying to short, and then literally like 5 minutes later, you know, the market sold off another like 100 points or something. The short would have shorted beautifully. Man, I'm even trying to look over on the 4-hour chart now. What the heck? What a stinking sell-off, man. All right, let's go back to one sec. Good old Meta. What do we think, guys? Is now the time to buy Meta? Charles, you're dialed into this world. What do you think of Meta right now? What do you think of Meta at 538? Looks like we have pretty good support at 500. 520s, 530s. I mean, yeah, 500 should be a massive support. But do we like Meta, or is Meta out of its mind? 370 would be the end-all be-all support. Charles, I need you, sir.
Charles, where are you, Charles?
When it comes to stock, I just buy and forget about it. I don't ever bother looking at them. Well, yeah, I know, right? Yeah, and that's basically me as well now. I set it and forget it. So usually I hold for at least like 45 days now, I would say. So that's why I'm thinking Meta. I'm just now starting to start a position with them. And then stinking Google, man. Stinking Google.
Daddy, I can't wait to ride in the truck back home.
Yeah, true, bud. Yeah.
How are we gonna bring your Tessie, man? Are we gonna bring the trailer with us?
No.
And how are we gonna bring the Tessie home and the truck?
Oh, guitar guy, no.
What?
Don't tell us, bud. That 25K account. Don't tell us,
Guitar
bud.
guy. Reload.
What happened
Reload.
to it?
Now that's all our money.
Remember, you weren't supposed to go heavier than 3 micros, sir. Alright, let's get into this a little bit. So, oh my god, I don't know, man. It's kind of a crapshoot right now, if I'm being honest. Like, it's the levels. You got to go all the way back to September right now to kind of see levels on NQ. We're kind of right at the top of those shelves that we created back there in August and September. Like, this is what I'm looking at. Way the heck over here, right? This is the last time that we were in these levels. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
We've been sky high, way above it. You got to zoom all the way back to August and September. So that's what I was kind of saying, is we're sitting right at the top of a lot of these candles. So this could be a nice little shelf for us. If we lose this shelf, then you would think, I mean, 500s is pretty obvious, you know. Maybe down to the 420s as well. So 500, 420s for lower levels. Otherwise, I gotta imagine we want to reclaim like 23,800 soon. 23,760s. Oh, come on. Yeah, I don't know.
Welcome to the club.
Yeah, I know it, man.
I don't
It's
know
really,
either.
I don't know, man. It's
That's what I was trying to look back a while ago, just on the 1 and 5, just to find something to the left, and I couldn't find anything.
right, dude.
I was like, okay, I'm flying blind.
Hard stinking read. All right, now let me send out this message real quick. All right. So, no haircut today, but we have Adventure Day today.
We're buying a one wheel.
Yeah, I do have to leave at 12 o'clock because my kiddo has been saving up. It's kind of like one of those combo things. My kiddo's birthday is this weekend, so we got to give him a birthday gift. But in conjunction with that, for the last 6 months, he's been saving up his money to buy himself a one wheel. So he's finally saved up $200 for this one wheel, and we found a pretty darn good one on Facebook Marketplace, but it's down in Tampa. It's like an hour and a half away. So we're driving down to Tampa for the kiddo to pay basically his portion for all of his hard work, and then we're going to buy the rest of it for him.
That's awesome.
But yeah, it's going to be a fun little day. And then we're going to go to my buddy's house that has the truck, because hopefully the stinking alignment will actually be done, and we'll get to drive the truck home. Yay! And then kind of the crazy thing is I'm going to use, because I'll have my Tesla at my buddy's house that's an hour away. I'll have the truck at my house. I have the trailer at my house. I'm going to take the truck and the trailer to my buddy's house. I'm going to put the Tesla in the trailer, and then I'm going to truck my Tesla and trailer home. Which I think,
test it out.
right? I think that's pretty damn cool. I'm actually quite excited about that. Pretty happy that I have an 8.5 foot wide trailer now. All right, so sorry, gang, I kind of lost myself there. Stack Z, what Daddy Trump gonna say now to try and save the market? LOL. Well, he's gonna blame it on Biden first off. This is Biden's market. Whenever the market's down like this is Biden's market. I'm going back to EOD 50K accounts. I like them better. Yeah, guitar guy, I agree, man. I jumped into the 25Ks and I liked it for a sec. The water felt real warm. But then the shitty thing is the second you have a little bit of a red day, like that account is gone. You know, like it seems like it'd be so easy to pass, but yeah. Stack Z, we broke all major support levels on higher time frames. Could trigger panic selling. Everyone and their mother is expecting the market to go up today, I bet. That's so cool, says Charles. Happy Dad Day, says Zach Z. Good old Sleepy Joe. Man, I was dying laughing too. I just saw this random clip of this guy that won like the Citizens Award, whatever the most prestigious award you can get for just being a random citizen. And he was in the White House, like, you know, talking to Trump. And he's like, yeah, man, I got this award, but it's got the wrong signature on it. And Trump just started dying laughing because Biden was the one that gave it to him. So Trump ended up putting his signature on it and then actually crossed off Biden's signature. And he's like, yeah, man, it's not even signature anyway. It's just an auto pen. You know, he went into that whole spiel. It's kind of funny. Kinds of funny. The biggest and largest, Miguel is here. We got our hype man. We got our forever hype man. We love you to death, Miguel.
Heck yeah.
So Nvidia has a gap to the gap down, so they're almost filling their gap to the upside. VIX is finally starting to calm down just a little bit, but it's at a potential support point, which makes sense because we're at our potential high point. Qs have the gap to the upside as well, and always keeping in mind gaps get filled 50% of the time that exact day. But man, with the amount of weakness we've had, it is kind of a crapshoot. I mean, again, you always got to kind of consider max pain. And so you'd think with all this selling off, if long started pumping, then it could squeeze the shorts a little bit. But at the same time, we've gone down so far. Like, you would think that all the shorts are just profit taking like crazy by this point. They're like this is great, you know? Like, who wouldn't take profit right now? All I know is we got to recover this $100. Our 9 finally curled up above our 21 and 45. We have our 950 candle coming in just a minute here. Right at the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. I mean, Fresh Cash Friday, man. We kind of talked about it yesterday. The adage always is, you're not really supposed to make too much money on Fridays, but you're supposed to maintain what you made that entire week on Fridays.
You should make money if you can.
Motherfucker, Jackie.
After yesterday, though,
Your
there's
wife,
nothing
who's making
to
money for
maintain,
26
so I need to make some today.
Yeah. Yeah.
What time are you planning on leaving?
11.
Okay.
So in an hour and 10 minutes.
Then
Yeah.
I guess
I was
later
gonna take
on.
Rory with me when I go on my errands.
Oh, okay. What errands you doing today?
I'm
Getting a
gonna
little
go to Dollar
red.
General, I saw that they have the huge baby pools out, like the one that we have, but it's like 5 feet wide.
Yeah, but that thing already has a hole in it.
No. It's like the one that we have, the little circle one,
Oh.
but it's bigger.
Huh.
It's like $15.
Okay. Because, yeah, I'd rather, like, dig a pond eventually,
Well,
but, yeah. No, I get it, yeah. That's a good one.
And then I'm gonna go get some.
So how the hell that one that we have right now is so hard to lift up and drain of the water?
We have the pump thing that's battery operated.
Yeah, I did, Guitar Guy. Give me a little bit. I'm gonna wait and see what else comes in today, and then I'm gonna ship all y'all some stuff. So I want to make sure everything's good before I start shipping some of it out, since I haven't seen some of it yet.
Yeah, every single day.
No, we'll still keep the little one too.
So rejecting down here to the 580s now. Yeah, man, that was cool. You had like a friggin' swag day yesterday. I just got to see the cup. That was the only surprise that I saw. What were the other surprises?
Oh, you didn't see the mouse pad?
No! Look at you, man. I know. I was like, man, this is like QVC. If you order now, you get a free friggin' flashlight.
This is the coolest. Like, I'm really impressed with like the thickness and stuff of it more than anything. But
Yeah. Oh, dude, look at that. Look at the color. Look at how the color came out on that, man. That's sick. So that's a full mat. That's like something you put your computer
yeah,
on,
it's
huh?
16 inches by 18 inches.
Yeah, dude, that came out gorgeous. Super sick.
Got the rubber back on it.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
legend has it, guys. Legend has it. If you trade with your computer on that mouse pad, you're guaranteed to pass an eval the very first week of usage or your money back.
I mean, that's what I've heard too.
Yeah. That's
I may
sick,
have to
man.
use it today.
Yeah, that turned out really, really good.
For an extra $50, the Trading Cowboy, I can have him sign it for you before he ships it.
Yo! We're getting into signatures. We're getting into autographs. No stinking way. We're gonna have to verify signatures soon. Make sure it's the real authentic. You know, can we authenticate that Trading Cowboy signature?
Yeah, and Sink or Swim offered as well to throw in a discount code to join our Discord that'll be in the package with it.
Listen, bud, that's what we're here for. We're here for the people at the end of the day. You know, we're basically, you know, FUBU, but we're with traders. How can we do a FUBU with traders? Trade us, buy us? I don't know. Yeah, I like it. All right, so here we come down to potentially a double-shaped recovery. This could be the start of everybody making a lot of money on a W-shaped recovery. Now, admittedly,
Yeah, I mean, is this gonna stop short right here like it has been, or is it gonna wick through it real quick?
right? Guitar Guy says, not me, LOL. Every time I trade, something goes wrong. But I'm telling you, bud, the power of that mouse pad.
Yep.
Get you one of them mouse pads. Oh, shit, look at that.
Mousepad doesn't do anything.
All right, so flick down to the 520s. VIX is starting to spike up a little bit. ES looks like a very clean bear flag that's bear flagging. Though it hasn't really necessarily broken its range yet. It's 953. We're just now wicking down the bottom of our range. We're getting a little gun shy because our first one was kind of, you know. Not that it was, I mean, it wasn't bad. It was just unfortunate that, you know, nothing turned green. It was kind of surprising, if I'm being honest. There was a couple
no
flicks
bounce
where
at
it was,
all.
positive. Good news. What you saying, sir? What you saying, sir? Guys, short, says good news. He says you're silly not to short. Good. So yeah, hold on. Let's focus here, collective. Let's focus. What are we doing? What direction? And what is the target? So good news. You want to go short. What is your target? So Stack Z daily's in a free fall as well. Everybody's saying we're free falling. Ooh, Lewis is already up. 1100 on Lewis. Do I push for the final 3? RIP to my stock portfolio, says Staxy. Yeah, I know, bud. I know it. Yeah, mine's down obviously as well. That's why I'm trying to average down a little on Googles and Metas. Oof, look at that. The short is still shorting. No top wick on this ES candle, 5-minute candle.
Blueberry jam?
Oh shit, I'm on the 15 over here.
How about I do one peanut butter, one blueberry?
Man, so we do have a full candle body below our range, but it's pretty damn new still. Marco is short.
Mark was short. Let's go, Mark.
Stock went to fuckland. Good news goes W is red, D is red, 4-hour red, 1-hour red, everything's red. Everything's friggin' red. We're down here to the 500s. We're still stinking sinking. I don't have the hard thing for me is I just don't have a target. Right now I'd just be blindly going short because everything's red and it just seems like it needs to go short. I don't have a friggin' target and I hate it. So guys, give me a target. Marco's saying this 500s might be a bounce level. But I think the bear is going to keep bearing. Too late now. Wait for a rebound, says good news.
I mean, right here, the way it's wicking back and forth, I mean, it tells me the bulls are trying to do something, but they're just not strong enough.
I mean, this is the... Hold on. Oh, my friggin' mouse, man. I got to retrack my computer stuff now. Here's the 1 hour. So, again, this is our September zone. So we're just dancing right at the bottom of that. 489s now. Shoot, I mean, 410? We're going to 410 as quick as we friggin' can. 23,500 rebounds. 100% rebound, says good news. It seems like we're still stinking sinking, though. There was a 480 tap. I mean, yeah, it'd be... I don't know. You go short, your stop is at like 562. What to do, what to do.
Yeah.
We're always 465 is our 50%.
Because of all my cards have made $1,000 already.
Wow, bud.
And how much have you made?
Holy cow, just went through at free fall is what good news is saying. How many candles is that now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Man, I haven't talked about the rule of sevens in forever.
What's the rule of sevens?
Right.
Well, Wyatt, since you asked, the rule of sevens is just a general term that, generally speaking, after 7 candles of one color in a row, you'll usually get an opposite color. And now we're on candle 9. We're still stinking pushing, though. I don't know. What do you do? There's our first green candle we've seen. Can it actually stay green? Look at the closes for the reversal. That 609 area. I was 5 points away.
These all for good
Oh.
cards.
Oh, nice, bud.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's a good stack. Nice, buddy.
You can
Nice.
scan them.
Just remember to make sure you don't bend them or anything like that. You don't want to muck them all up.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's see how much this.
But yeah, let me just concentrate though, baby, because I only got an hour left, and then we'll be in the car together. Oh shoot! I didn't mean to double click that. Whoops. Well, I guess I'm in it now. You know. Literally, the only thesis here is we haven't made a friggin' one green candle yet, so it's gonna be. I'm gonna trail every single candlestick right now and see if we can't just keep making reds and reds and reds and reds and reds.
$26.
All right, baby. I gotta concentrate now, please. I see it's $26. It's really cool, man. But please you gotta give me an hour. And then we'll
Skedaddle.
exactly. Well, there you go, guys. I helped you out.
Stock filled.
I gave you that green candle that you guys were looking for.
Heck yeah.
Son of a bitch. Marco goes, this is the 1 hour, this is the 4 hour wick, Greg. Go long, but get out before 10 a.m. Well, we got 13 seconds left. Instead, I went short and I got wicked out at 10 a.m. Son of a bitch.
Yeah,
And
look at
there's
that.
our
Whoa.
nice, beautiful friggin'
Whoa.
10 o'clock candle going crazy. That would have been nice if we were still in that for a sec. Shoot, man. I was in at 83. We just spiked down to 44.
Order filled.
Well, I got a terrible feel, but I snapped it when I felt like I snapped it when it hit 44 and it got me in at 75.
Oh, man. Well, let's see. I mean, I do like that wick, so who the heck knows? Hopefully we get a real good friggin' push up now.
Order filled. Order filled.
We got to make some stinking shmoney back.
Order filled.
Got to make some stinking shmonies back. There's a
Order filled.
little bit there.
Order filled.
Come on, keep going.
All right, I took one off at the 9 right there. We're going to let this other one ride a while.
There we go. See if we can't get a nice push. Can't get a nice push.
Stop filled.
Alright. I'm going to leave my last one at break even because I just don't want to screw around today.
Yeah, I mean, this 9's kind of been a telltale all day yesterday, too. Good news. I mean, that was kind of the push up every time and then pull right back. But
Yeah. Yep, stopped
Stop
out.
filled.
Alright. Made some back. Made some back there, gang.
all right, we're flat again.
That was the
Kind
Michigan
of feel like we
sentiment.
get a little slippage a little bit sometimes, too. I
Yeah.
mean, kind of seems like my stop down there, it seemed like it just stopped it out before it ever got to it. So
Well, look at this volume, too. I mean, that candle, there's almost, 13,000. A little bit above 13,000
Yeah.
on that volume. Ooh, still growing a little strength, though, man. She's still growing a little strength. Maybe we want to clean up this 5 minute at 5:24. Might have a 5:24 target now.
and I kind of think it did it all day yesterday too, right? It would give us a little bit of hope like this just to get some more bulls in so we could keep
Yeah.
squeezing back down.
To then
Oh yeah,
kaboom.
good news, just put it up there. Yeah, don't let it fool you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I like it, guys. See, that's why we have the collective. That's why we're all here. Ugh.
So Lewis, when you say that, I mean, would you copy trade your top steps together, then your looses together, or are you gonna try to link them all together? That may be a little crazy.
Man, so I gotta admit, I'm not really at that level of trading yet, like you guys are. That's gotta be kind of nuts when you're trading 2, 3, 4 different accounts all at the same time. When you have your, you got your live fundeds and evals all rocking and rolling, and you're like woo, 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 woo. It's a lot of concentration. Market
Yeah,
waiting for
I
the
mean,
buyers.
it is a little nerve-wracking, Lewis. But I mean, if you keep your props, I guess, separate, I wouldn't link all of them together. But I do a lot of mine separate. But like Lucid, I trade all them together. Take profit, I do 2 on one account and 2 on one account, and then 1 separate. It's easier to lose them all, I guess. But then at the same time, you keep it spread out a little bit. So If you have a lot, if you have a stop limit of, say $300 on a trade, well, you can lose 150 on each or something. Or instead of going in with two minis, you can go in with one mini on each account. So you can spread that risk out.
Lewis, I had no idea you're only taking one trade a day. I honestly thought you were taking a couple different ones because you know. Wow, man. So when you show you're up 1,100, you're up 2,000. That's you just holding that same stinking trade the whole day. So you're doing like an hour trade and stuff. Just means I can chill more.
Lewis,
And
if
build
you
over
start a
time.
channel though, I would literally get on there every day and watch the whole time, and all I would type is, "Do you even trade?
Do you
Are you
even
going to get
trade,
in a
bro?
trade?
Do you
When
even
are you going to
trade?
get in a trade?"
He's
That's what
gonna
they always ask us.
he's gonna create 30 different accounts too. You know.
Yeah, yeah. You'll have the biggest chat deal, but it'll all be me.
Yeah, like you'll have like the trading cowboy, and then you'll have like the trading now boy or something like that. And
Yeah,
he's like, "Do you
yeah.
even trade? Hey, are you the same person? No." Fucking- he's just wearing a fake mustache. One trade a day, but you'll see 3 trades on Top Step, and I enter into my positions. Yeah, sick, dude. Sick, sick, sick. I like that. Like that's kind of like Alex G's thing too, the set it and forget it type thing as well. You know, which I haven't really tried that yet. I mean, again, of all the strategies that I've tried so far, I would say Mr. Trading Cowboys is my favorite. It's just a little bit, I'm getting better at holding trades longer and stuff like that, but I feel like generally speaking with your strategy, you don't necessarily have to, you know. Usually you get a
Yeah.
lot of nice like reversion pushes quite quickly, or you're in the green, quite quickly sometimes. I feel like when I was doing like Patrick's thing, sometimes waiting for like a bull flag to play out, for example, and you're just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting while it's doing those stepping stones to get down before it does that consolidated pop.
Yeah. Well, and
500.
that's what's crazy too. I mean, like yesterday, on one of my fundeds, I rode down for like 80 points on one of my funded. So I made $1,600. That was great.
Yeah.
My other account, I literally was buying some of the dips and making, not much, but literally making like 60, $80 because as
Yeah.
soon as it would go green, I'd move into profit
Yep.
because it never had that follow through yesterday.
Yep.
Well, end of the day, I made 1,400 on
Huge.
it.
Huge follow through. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
then, I also lost 2 funded yesterday that were in drawdown anyway.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I almost did the same, waiting for an hour for the follow through
Yeah.
as I did trading live on the stream, so everybody wouldn't say, "Do you even trade?"
Right. Right.
So,
So people would just literally say, "Do you even trade?"
yeah, I need something that's smaller than a micro that I can just always have in the trade.
So good news is saying go short now, which I guess your stop would be like 525, which I don't hate. Let's see if it can't curl up a little bit farther. We'll try it. The 9 is starting to curl down a little bit. Bear flag says Miguel, but then good news is saying 500 is acting as support now, as we say.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I was, I kind of had my cursor sitting right here because on a normal day, that was acting as a little shelf, right? We would get a nice little pop.
Yeah. Well, shoot, good news. The short is shortened so far, sir.
Yeah, this isn't a financial advice, but I'm going to try just a little bitty long right here. I think it's going to wick down through, but there's the 80s. Like I said, clearly not financial advice. This is an awesome bear flag. Could be.
Dang,
We're not getting any
Lewis.
follow through either way.
So Lewis said, I've only had 11 evals since December. All 50Ks past 8. Lost 3 to silver, which was me being greedy. Yeah, man, I never even, like we talked about it yesterday, I never even ended up messing with silver, but that's what I heard is the volatility got insane. And I was dying laughing too. It was so coincidental. When I was doing that fireplace job, lady that owned the house was a financial advisor. And, we wouldn't try to, but we'd overhear a lot of her conversations because she was working at home in her office. And so there was one person that she was managing their funds that was demanding that she move over 150 grand of his into silver. And she's like, we can do it, man. We can do it, but I really don't think that it's a good idea. And again, I don't follow silver that much, but I'm pretty sure it was if this makes sense. I think it was at like $130 or something like that at the time. Is silver around there? And then literally like a week or something like that after the conversation, it was down to like $97. And so that person would have took like a 30 or 40% bath on their, trade right away. Look at Cowboys trade working right now. Cowboys stinking trade is working though, bringing us right back up into that chop zone.
Yeah, I was going to try to add into it if it wigged below this little low right here with my stop well below 450, since Good News said we were going to 450. I was going to have my stop below it just in case it bounced off of it.
Yeah.
We're still not getting any follow through. I mean,
and then Lewis said never even looked at silver and then loaded in wrong size and vanished. Shoot, man. Yeah, that's always frustrating. Especially in something like that too, when you don't know how predictable things are, and it starts going against you, and so it's even a little bit more, heart racing because again, you don't know what to expect. You don't have experience at that point, so it's like, do I get out now and cut bait? Do I hold on and it's going to come back in 30 seconds? What the hell is actually going to happen?
yeah.
So EMA is curling down nice, but the 9 did kind of flatline, a little bit undecided. I got to get back into a stinking trade so that nobody asks me if I actually even stinking trade. Nvidia is kind of forming a bear flag still. But VIX is coming down nice. ES is pushing up nice. Our original target was trying to put a wick on this 955 candle. That would bring us up to the 526s. Yeah. Get a nice push right now. There we go. There we go, sir. Not stinking bad. See, that's why you trust the guy with the cowboy hat. He's actually wearing a baseball cap right now.
Yeah, hold on.
Hold on.
If we can get that 100 points.
Wrong hat. Yeah. Now it can go up. Now it can go up.
Guys, it's crazy right now. I mean, I don't know if y'all can hear any background noise back here, but like we have like 40 mile an hour north wind right now.
Dude,
it was 99 degrees
wind
yesterday.
Damn.
The wind chill this morning was 36 and our high is like 51 today.
Dude, what is going on in Texas, man?
And then back to the 80s Saturday and Sunday.
Dude, 99 degrees with 40 mile per hour winds just literally makes me think of like a movie I saw where there was like fire nados everywhere. Like there was like basically
yesterday it was 99 degrees and like 5 mile an hour wind. Today it's 36
crazy.
And 40 mile an hour wind.
So just blasting, just friggin' cold. Ugh. Look at all the volume up there, and we are dancing here at the bottom, says Good News. Well, we put a wick where I wanted it to. ES still. I thought the ES was going to come up and put a wick on their 5-minute candle, too. Hold on. So right here, this is the candle I was looking at. ES doesn't have a wick on the top of this one. It's 955 candle. So that little green wick almost did it. But look at that rejection already.
Yeah, no follow through.
Guitar guy. Okay, I got a nice ATM strategy. I'm trading 3 minis. It's working flawlessly. I love it, bud. I love it. I love it. You keep doing it, bud. You keep doing it.
Yeah.
You know, honestly, guitar guy, you might be onto something. Like there was this guy, there's this influencer called Buck that I watch right now, and it's this guy that walks into this he walks into a gas station and he plays these like not scratch off tickets, but they're like pop open tickets, and you can win between like $10 up to $400, and he loses almost all the stinking time.
Oh, Buck.
Yeah, Buck. But he just does it with such style and panache that people love him, and he has 1 million followers now. Man, guitar guy, I feel like you could be that person. I feel like you could start, and like people would just really be cheering for you too. Especially like outlandish stuff like that. Like that would be such a good short, caption. Is nice ATM strategy, trading 3 minis, working flawlessly. So good, man. It's so good. Oh, Lewis, you know about Buck? Lewis, you watch Buck? He's so funny, dude. I watch him all the time. Yeah, dude. Exactly. And he's always stealing that Pepsi. And then he's stealing his grandmother's $20. He's like, man, I stole $20 out of Meemaw's purse. We're throwing it in. Damn, dude. You, cowboy, you hold shit, and it works. So we're up here at the 530s now. We're still pushing. We got a resistance point up here to 564, which might be a potential for us.
I mean, the most drawdown we ever had on that was, what, less than $10?
Yeah, dude. Not bad at all, sir. Not bad at all, sir.
Come on, you got to give me that.
Yeah, come on, dude. What a tease. What a tease.
One way or another. Thank you.
Guitar guy, I know I need to quit, but eventually it won't work. Yeah, but when it does.
Just got 65 points for that one.
Yeah, dude. Gorgeous stinking trade, man. I just sat out. I don't know what I did. I just sat out. I should have jumped in. 565.
Tag Z, quit baiting me, bro. Quit baiting me.
Hey, cough. Oh, guy can't hold a trade to save his life. Yo. I know, man. I know. I keep saying the same things, Dexy. We got our golden goose here. We got to blow him up.
I mean, good news. It clearly could have went either way right there, right? I mean, I was just hoping that inversion was going to play out with my support at 79. It held that 80 exact. And
Yep.
I mean, as soon as we got over the 21, I knew we could relax a little bit. But I mean, it was just if this was a normal day trading, that play works every day.
Yeah.
So it literally was a risk, but
Man,
here we are. We're riding.
I'm just sitting back like a silly guy now. Come on. I need a trade.
We're coming up on 80 points coming up. Our 9 and 21 crossed over.
Come on.
I mean, this could be the downfall right here, right? We closed this one above. No wick on it. This one closed. We could get some good downside now. This could have been the push up we needed to really fall. But we're going to give it a little bit of room. We really want the 9 and 21 to hold right there, right?
Order filled.
But Stack Z, could you see me? Could you see me over there at that other place? With, I mean, I probably would have went in with like 2 or 3 minis right there.
Oh, I know
let
it,
her
man.
ride.
Yeah, I know it, right?
Especially when those prop firms are just throwing me free evals.
You got your,
Yeesh.
and you got your G-Wagon. You got your G-Wagon underneath
Yeah.
you. Yeah, we'll definitely get there, man. We'll definitely get you there. I guarantee it. I would say realistically in the next 6 months. I think in the next 6 months, especially once you break 1,000.
We got to see where we're at. I haven't even logged into YouTube yet. Bro.
Is it 1,000?
No, we're close. Come on, guys.
996. All right, everybody, please go over to at the Trading Cowboy. Please search at the Trading Cowboy and like his page. We only need 4 more followers to get this gentleman to 1,000, and that would be a big old beautiful thing. Man, look at this stinking bear flag trying to tease us right now.
And I think those shorts are the key to the whole thing, because I didn't do like, we had a huge run last week, so I just got real lax. Didn't do anything for like 5 or 6 days.
Yeah.
Finally made, and then we set for like the last 3 days at like the same, like 920, just nowhere.
Yeah.
Made a short 2 nights ago.
Yeah. Yeah.
And was gonna make one last night, and I was just pooped.
I know, dude. It's hard to actually go in after, especially after a full day, to go in and then sit down for an hour and a half and make a short, you know? And my problem, too, is whenever I start making them, I usually have, like, you know, the market on in the background, too. Hold on, baby. So then I'll start looking at trades, and I'm like, you know, and I'll start, like, sneaking in a couple small trades, and then it takes even longer, and I'm like, oh, son of a bitch. Oh, you can get yourself water, baby. You know how to get water. You silly man.
Marty's looking for 577, which would be great, Marty. I mean, I'll take that gladly. I'd like to see 85, just so that would be a nice 100-point trade.
Yeah.
But I think it's going to reject. I mean, I think it's going to reject at that 77, right? I mean, maybe even 71. Well, it may just do it right here, but.
Consolidation for more downside is forming, says Lewis.
Yeah, I agree. I kind of thought we would have to. I mean, I kind of thought that's what that previous one was when I entered Lewis, but I honestly thought we were going to have to get up here to 610. 610 makes a little more sense to me because we'd get a lot more bulls in there. It would still be a lower high. It would be at the 200 EMA. But this 50 right now is gold. Here she comes.
Tapping the 500s.
Can't stop me if I move it.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Okay, it's going to stop me anyway. We gave it a try.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Just doing a couple little guys over here. Just doing a couple little guys now. Ooh, friggin' close.
Wow. Take that.
Take that. Take that, you stinking thing.
See, and the market guys was like, okay, we can't go down that far. Let's just go back.
This cowboy guy's crazy. We can't get him out to save our lives.
Guitar guy.
I love a guitar guy. Oh yeah, let me see that. They look great. Are those your new ones or no? Oh yeah, I think they look great. Still big, yeah.
coins. There's like no smaller
Yeah.
size.
We're gonna have to have you on, Guitar Guy, just so you can show us that strategy live.
Yeah, dude. I want to see the strat live. Live on their YouTubes.
Yeah, Lewis, you're exactly right. Works 50% of the time. Yep.
Come on, baby. Let's break that 9. Keep going. Break that 9 and keep going, sir.
Stop filled.
Black Friday, says Hydro. Man, what a hold, though, bud. What a hold. You were literally like 2 points from getting wicked out.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Literally 2 points from getting wicked out, and here you are, just rocking and rolling.
I mean, but we made a higher low right there. So
Yep.
I say that as it fixing to come wick
As it-
down.
yeah,
and
as
the
we
9 and
wick- as we
21
wick
cross
down
back
hard.
over.
Yeah. We just wicked down hard from that EMA rejection.
Guitar Guy, we have learned that that's what gets the views. Guitar Guy.
Yep.
It's not about. It's not about anything else.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You have to make yourself look like a dumbass, bud. I mean, look at Buck. You know, he looks a little wild, but the guy's about to be a millionaire.
And it's true. I mean, when I blow an eval, people all of a sudden that I'd never seen in the chat are like, "It's okay, man. You'll get the next one." And I'm like, "Who are you? Like,
Who are
what-
you? He's like, oh,
where
I've
did
been
you even
watching you for
come
the last
from?
3
Like-
weeks. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh, also welcome.
Alright,
If shoot, what was it? AutoZone. Hey, AutoZone guy.
Yeah, you got to tell this story, bro.
Dude, right? So first ever, I was wearing my my Sink or Swim t-shirt yesterday, running around some errands, picking up some parts for the truck. Jumped into AutoZone, and the cashier there is like, "Do you know how to day trade?" And I go, "Why, yes, sir. In fact, I actually have a YouTube channel where we teach people how to day trade." I was like, "Do you day trade?" And he's like, "No, I'm brand new to it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I would love to learn." And I go, "Perfect." I go, "Admittedly, Trading Cowboy, my co-host, is a hell of a lot better than me. So please make sure that you follow both of us. But come on, you know, jump on the stream. Come check us out. Maybe you'll learn a thing or two. So, sir, if you're watching right now, please say hello
Yeah.
so that we know. Which I'm guessing he's not watching. He's at work right now. That's why. But still, so we got 2 followers out of it, man. I got a follower, and Cowboy got a follower. You know.
Yeah.
We want blood and drama, says Charles.
Yeah.
Give us the blood. Give us blood or give us bread. That's what we're here for. Look at this. I don't know. It's a Head and Shoulders that goes nowhere, right? You can't say it's an inverted Head and Shoulders, but that's a shoulder. That's a head. This is a shoulder. So then does it go down to there, I guess?
Yeah.
To wick us down there? Or conversely, this could just be our very nice W, double bottom, and then we're going to recover. Schwut is the way. Schwut is the way. 564 area looking real good for the shorts. That was the retest area I mentioned. 564. And good news is excited that the stinking thing is finally falling. Yeah, I mean, you could short, and then your stop would be at 528. It's kind of a bigger stop, but you could try. Yeah. I can transfer more though, because I'm about to.
Well, I don't need that much. I just want to make sure that I have money to, you know.
Yeah.
I need under $200.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, okay.
So I'm gonna go to Lowe's, Tractor Supply.
Did you see that Tractor Supply thing that I sent you?
Yes, I'm gonna go get the viral purse.
That's so stinking funny.
I know, I wish I'd thought of that.
Yeah, right?
Ask them if they trade when you're there.
Yeah, dude, when you're there, every store you go into, ask them if they day trade. You should be wearing your shirt right now.
I thought you meant trade my ducks in for whatever their current chicks were. I was like, I haven't traded those.
No, not the duck.
So yeah, I just saw a viral reel yesterday that I sent to my wife that was saying that Tractor Supply is selling this viral purse. There's a viral purse at Tractor Supply. It's only $30 right now. And what it was is one of those, like chick containers. It was one of the cardboard chick containers that you put baby chicks in. She's like, that makes the cutest noise too.
I don't really know if you're a cowboy without a cowboy hat.
That's only when it's a 100-point trade.
Oh.
It's a 100-point trade. The hat goes
that's
on.
only when we're really riding, which I need to be wearing it right now.
Otherwise, it gets too sweaty. He doesn't want to ruin the hat.
Well, and it's like it's hard to wear a cowboy hat today in this wind too.
Yeah.
Hey,
Pretty.
Rory, are you dressed? You're not dressed. You're nudie. We gotta
So,
go
Stack
dress.
C, oil on its way back up. Do you guys dabble with options? Cowboy does. I have.
What are the chances you want?
Yeah, I mean, I haven't done anything this week. I'm glad I didn't either because I was
that'd be
honestly
a
considering
lot.
trying to buy some spy
That's how you
calls
put
for
more
like a
cards
week
in
or
there.
two out.
I
But
go with you.
You gotta explain to him everything. Can you take the time?
Explain to the
No.
4-year-old?
Yeah, there's gonna be a 4-hour car
Hey,
ride.
listen,
He's not gonna
okay.
like that.
Listen, come here.
It's a 4-hour car ride, Roars.
Yeah, but I want to come with you.
Come here. Okay, listen. Daddy's got to drive.
And I only have a
4
half an hour
hours.
left. You want
Daddy's.
to do it out there, please?
Dear God, it's my bedroom.
All right. So
Oh,
do we
yeah.
deal with options? Sorry, little bit, not too much. Actually, that was my start of my YouTube career. Was me doing a $10,000 option buy, like 5 years ago or something like that. And like I made $2,000 in the first hour of the video, but I was really trying to double it, so I just held it, and I held it for a week all the way down to zero. I actually zeroed out that $10,000. And that was back when I had like kind of FU money though. I don't have FU money anymore. Those are the good old days. My problem is not being able to sit on my hands to wait for a move. Right now in my mind, I think we have to trade every move. Yeah, I still do that too, guitar guy. I know the feeling, brother. Almost every time I would end up giving back all my profits trading like that, says Dexy. Also agree with that. Less trades equal higher quality steps. That's the way. It'll be my G-Wagon, but I'll let him drive it, Greg. Yo, Mindy! Mindy, we haven't seen you in forever.
we
Good to
can't talk
see
about
you.
we can't talk about my G-Wagon anymore.
Good to see you. It'll be my G-Wagon, but I'll let him drive it, Greg. That's so funny. So funny. Options are good, but I hate that you can be in a winter trade, but due to time decay, you can... Yeah, exactly, man. That's the thing I hate about options, is if I'm completely wrong, I can't just hold it until I'm right again. And
Yeah, that theta.
yeah, the decay just hits you so fast. Damn, just cooked one combined. Oh, good news. No. You shorted hard, huh? You shorted hard down here, and that pop got you.
Yeah, good news. I mean, and I really thought it was going to work for you, but when it had that wick on this 1029 candle right here, that wick was real fast. I bumped my computer and made the mouse move, but I was grabbing my funded one, and I went 3 contracts deep right there. Bought that sucker at 76 and wrote it up to 500. So
Dang.
made $1,500.
Went with good news. Went with good news. Went with guitar guys. 3 mini strategy.
Okay, so I went with 3 mini strategy too, but I went the other way. So the 50-50 is exactly right that Lewis said.
Yeah.
Because I went up, good news went down.
No way. You guys trade contracts.
And I had a small stop too. I mean, I was going to stop out if it went to below 70.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I was literally risking like 15 points, 5 points times 3 contracts. So,
Bad timing, he says. Yep. I don't know. I can see us pushing and breaking this 504 again now. Staxy, hope we don't just chop around here all day. That would suck. I know it, man. And that's what honestly the last couple of weeks have been. It's just been elongated, consolidated chop for like an hour. And then you get a big kaboom in one direction or the other. Then consolidated chop, then kaboom, and then consolidated chop, then kaboom. I should have even said that. I just spoke it into existence, he said.
Yeah, for real, Staxy. And that's what ate me up a couple days ago, right? When we had that huge chop day, we would get in this real nice channel of like 30 points. And I'm like, okay, I'm just going to buy the bottom or sell the top. And I'm going to go in heavier.
Yeah.
And I'd go in heavier. And then it would work like once or twice. And then we'd get a huge push up, like 40 points past. And then just take everything I just made over the last 30 minutes.
Yeah, bud. And then the definition of tilt is you get frustrated, throw your shit. Man, yeah, Nvidia just still slowly losing it. Q still slowly losing it. ES still slowly losing it. What is Google doing? Probably still slowly losing it. Oh, Google's back up to 277. I bought some down there at 275s, 276s.
Hell.
What's that?
I said sell.
Sell it now. Sell it now. Exactly, right? I'm up $1.50. We're selling. Put in the stop. Put in the stops. Boo. Yeah, wild. Wild, wild, wild. Man, Stack Z, I think you talked it into existence, bud. Entered with a funded, said good news. You're entering, you just entered a short with a funded, sir. Is that what you're telling us?
These wicks are getting me excited. Good news, I gotta tell you.
For the short, you're saying?
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of keep pushing down. I'm going to kind of follow Lewis and see if this 564 kind of breaks hard. Go good news. Look at that.
Look at that.
And see, that totally changed my mind. That makes me want to try a long right there.
Yeah, I know. Now it's a long time. Marco entered the short too.
Y'all had your fun.
Y'all had your fun. Now it's time to go home.
Yeah, let's go for good news.
Come on, baby. Can we retap that 344 or the 444? Lewis posted the day in Discord. We got to check it out, bud. We'll check it out in a sec. Damn, dude. Not a bad stinking trade down here to the 448s. Nice quick wick.
Order filled.
Hey, you know what's crazy too? Me looking at this, I just took I took that little bounce on one of my fundeds up here on NQ. NQ actually pushed below the low and pushed the low down.
Oh no way!
So its low was like 52, and it pushed it down to 48. Whereas MNQ never pushed through the low.
No way. Well, I just went long. Look at that, man. I think I'm learning. I don't know if I'm learning or not, but the second I saw that little wickety wick, I just went long. But unfortunately, everybody
Yeah,
else
I
is
mean,
going
I bought
short,
it.
so.
Yeah, I mean, I bought it at 52.50 and rode it up to almost 70, like 68.
Oh, shit. So you're already out of it.
So, yeah, I played that one bounce right there real quick.
Yeah.
I just trailed it because it was a funded. So,
Yeah.
but I still like it kind of right here. I mean, it's kind of, to me, it may be trying to trick some of the short play. It's kind of trying to get back up over that 64 too. What is
Yeah.
the 5? Let me look at the 5.
Keeping historical cards.
I mean, I kind of think, I don't know what Lewis is thinking, but they really pushed that 5-minute down to close below it. So,
Come on.
Order filled.
heck yeah, good news. Congratulations, buddy.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Well, we're almost back to green on the day finally, gang.
Nice.
Good grief. All right, I got 20 minutes left. We got 20 minutes left to make a huge, big old trade. Greg, you need to add a payout tab to the Discord. Well, kind sir. Well, we do have a wins and losses, so a payout tab would just be so you can actually, so you can show your payouts. I fucking love that. Yeah. So community, I feel like that should be a community tab, right? Support, resources, blown accounts. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I think community would be the best spot. So create channel. Is that a channel? Create a channel. New channel name. Let's see. Where is Come on, chat. Let's see. What is this called? Discord. Where is it? Where can we search? We can't even stinking search on this one. Alright. I need a description for... Man, my autocorrect has not been working lately, and my spelling is atrocious.
Are we building a little shelf right here?
Shoo. Hold on, let's see. Hold on. Don't let it build it out yet. I gotta fix the Discord first.
I kind of feel like the cemetery should be named like Cowboy Cemetery or Old West Cemetery or something, because I think I have more than anybody that I could put in there. It kind of be like my family cemetery, you know?
my Cowboys plot. Cowboys
Yeah.
plot. That's so funny. All right, now how do we pin this?
I wonder if we should charge like 50 cents or $1 for everybody to buy a plot there, you know?
That would be pretty funny, man. Or it's like, yeah, like you have to like donate $1 every time you die, and then eventually
Yeah.
the collection bin goes to whoever whoever has the most.
And then when we
bonus
get
counts.
enough to give away an eval, then we randomly pick an eval winner.
Yeah.
I love it, Guitar Guy. We'll call it Boot Heel.
Boot Hill. That's funny. I like that, man. All right, where'd my Tratovate go?
And I can have my own chat in there too, so people can say, "Well, where do you find Cowboy?" Oh, he's in the cemetery.
He's in the cemetery. He's a little forlorn today in the cemetery. All right, so Lewis, you asked, and we answered. There is now finally in the community section of our Discord a payout section. So hell yeah, guys. Let's see them flashy payouts. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Oh,
Well, the trade
damn,
already
that
happened
trade
since
call,
you
I should've
finished.
went long, says Guitar Guy. Feel like I'm going to be posting the cemetery soon. Things going too well. Go and visit some old friends. That's funny. All right, yeah, bud. Let's get it. Let's get in on a trade here. Let's get in on a trade. ES is kind of bear flagging though, and the bear flag is kind of breaking a little bit. That wick up to the 21 also might be giving us a little bit of more room for the push down. 432. We haven't tested 432 yet. That seems like it's a nice little shelf on the 1 hour. Otherwise, 412 was one of our closes on a random Thursday in September. I just need to bury some accounts. They're sitting in the morgue, says Marco. We're still exhuming them. Marco's still exhuming those bodies.
Yeah,
Oh,
once
shit.
the autopsies are done and we figure out what went wrong, we'll get them.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, CSI is there. Look at that wick, man. We talked about that nice wick,
Yeah, I
and then
know
look
it,
at that. We
God.
just got a nice little pop
I
down.
wish I'd have been paying a little closer attention. I almost could have snagged it at 50, but I think that was the wick we needed right there. Let's see if the 9 and 21 cross over now. Or a little retracement, maybe.
It's 10:47 now. 438. We came down to 438. Does that make sense? 452, 438. Yeah, 438 is pretty good support point, really. I mean, it's like I just talked about, that 434 on the 1 hour. Yeah, getting a good push. Fuck me.
Yeah, look at that. Man, that was the wick.
Yeah, real nice wick. 5 seconds left of this candle. Still
Let's see how it acts
pushing.
up here at the 50.
That would also be the 500, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Man, the 9 is trying to curl up. ES is coming up to the top of its box. Bottom of its box, sorry. ES is coming to the bottom of its box. Still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing.
should have bought that wick, Greg.
Should have bought that stinking wick.
Yesterday, that was not the thing to do, but
Shit, man, look at that. Still friggin' pushing. Fuck me. That would have been a good trade. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Look at that. Still friggin' pushing.
right to the 20s and a little rejection, huh?
No top wick, though. For our brand new 1050 candle. Marco caught that long without calling it out to anybody else.
Heck yeah.
Stack Z thinks we might have finally found the bottom. I'm 10 minutes away from leaving, so I'm unfortunately buying at the top here. I mean, basically, that thing didn't have a wick on it, so I wanted it to have a wick at least. Now it's got that wick, and now it's a little bit more nervous. Well, got 10 points out of her, actually. Look at that. That's not bad.
Stop
I think I'm back to... Oh! I'm $3 away from being green
No.
on this silly, stinking Friday. Oh, well. It's been a phenomenal week, man. Phenomenal week. But I wish today could have been a little better. We got 9 minutes left, and then I got to leave, gang. I gotta try to be a hard stop, too. I don't want to be too late for this guy. And I got all these stinking kiddos I got to put in the car now. So, yeah, I guess in 5 minutes, really. 5 minutes, I got to call it. Why? Is Rory still here or no? Rory, are you here?
Well, they left.
Oh, she did take Rory?
Yeah.
No way. All right. That makes life a little easier. That was the 4-year-old really wanted to come with me, and I don't know. Because we got to drive an hour and a half to Tampa. Then we got to drive like an hour and a half to the truck. And then it's going to be an hour drive back home. So it's going to be like 4 hours of driving almost. I think that'd be too much for the 4-year-old. He'd fall asleep, then he'd wake up cranky. Marco, guys, we had 2 wicks in a row. 1 up wick, 1 down wick. Then the next candle ate up the top wick. I have to trade that. I agree, bud. I agree. I'm not really, I'm not really. I'm just kind of joking. I'm just mad at myself for not catching it, because we talked about it as well. We're like, oh, we should have got it at the 450s. And then it was at like 464. And we're like, well, we can still catch it. And then it's like, boop, 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 boop.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would regret that. Exactly, Staxy. He would definitely regret that car ride. At least this 7-year-old will be a little bit more dialed in because it's his one wheel. So, like, the hour and a half to get there, he'll be fine. We'll get out, he'll test drive it, so that'll be exciting. We'll probably get lunch there. Then the hour and a half to the truck, he'll be able to look at the one wheel and fiddle with it in the car kind of a thing. And then the truck is still a brand new experience, and he loves it. It's a monster truck. It's pretty lifted. So the hour drive back in the truck should also hopefully be exciting. Oh, which I'm surprised I didn't hear from the truck people. I got to call them. I kind of like this. The 9 just crossed over the 50. We're forming a little bull flag here. Greg, you are going to be riding that one wheel. Hell yeah, Marco, right? Hell yeah, we are going to be riding that one wheel. Especially, dude, I love it. And I've obviously never had this experience before. I've only ridden a one wheel once, actually. But I love it whenever you go to the beach and you see people cruising down the beach in the one wheel, by the shoreline where it's nice and compacted. That just looks like so much fun, man. So I would love to jump on the beach and then just rip the one wheel. Let's see. Our bull flag started at 488. Let's see if 488 has any type of support. And we might be still going up. Though, admittedly, if you look at the 5 minute, looking at the 5 minute, I think we'd have to come down to 466 first. But yeah, otherwise 489. What are we thinking? You can always repo that thing from your son. Dude, I know, right? Or it's just always, it's a gateway drug, right? Like, because it's only a pint. We're getting him the pint because he's a little guy. So now that we have the pint, maybe we'll get the GT or, the XR. There was a crazy one wheel for sale here for $3,000, and it's a XR one, and the thing has like 5,000 miles on it too, which I think it's insane that he's trying to get that price tag from a 5,000 mile one wheel. But it has every single upgrade that you could possibly think that a one wheel would even have, which I didn't even know they had that many upgrades. But it has like shocks, it has like a skeletal frame, it has so much crazy stuff on it. Ooh, what are you thinking, sir? You salivate?
Oh, I don't know.
You salivate?
I mean, I wish I'd have rode that short down right here, but
Yeah.
I mean, this is the perfect place for it to stop to get a push back up, right?
Yeah, we're
It
forming
didn't quite make that 78 low.
bull flags on the 5 minutes. It would bring us back up to like a 518. I'm gonna try one just because I gotta get going.
Order filled.
Yeah, Marco bull flag, hopefully, right?
Right. Alright. Try to drop this stop so that we can finish green at the very least. Whoops. Nope, it didn't work. Come on, guys. Oh, shit. There we go. That's a much better candle. I shouldn't even get out here. I should just hold it at this point. But we're green on the day. Woo! Welcome to Sink or Swim Trading.
That's how we do it.
We are green on the day. It is Friday. We are green, boys. I swear, NQ has been invalidating flags like crazy during New York session. Maybe it's just me, though. So, yeah, Staxy, that's what I've been kind of, I haven't really been, I guess, vocalizing it correctly. And right now, even my train of thought is friggin' dying. But, again, that's what I kind of appreciate about Trading Cowboys' kind of strategy and style, is he's usually doing the exact opposite of what you do in a conventional sense. So even like right here, I'm talking about, look at this bull flag form, and he's like, fuck, man, I really wish I'd caught that short, So yeah, like, man, there's so many times that you'll see this bull flag, and you'll buy here, for example, because you see the confirmation or something, and then you draw down, it's working slow, it doesn't really look like it's working great and stuff like that. So sometimes you get scared out of that bull flag, and half the time you're right, it doesn't even work these days. So that's why we like Cowboy strategy, because he sees that bull flag form, and he's thinking, you know what? If it's a bull flag, it's going to usually sink down to the bottom of that flagpole first at the very least. So it's almost a little bit of a safer trade sometime doing that reversion trade, and it almost plays out a little bit quicker in your favor. Not saying
Yeah, and then in here lately, Stack Z, I mean, playing those bull flags, I've been trying to get in like real early on them, right? So I've been trying to get in when they wick down instead of waiting for them to come back to the top. Most bull flags, those guys try to wait till it gets back to the top up here, and then they try to get that push through.
Right.
Well, they haven't been playing out, so to kind of limit my risk, I've been trying to get in down on those wicks. Usually the third candle I noticed on a 1 minute, that third candle will wick through the low, so I try to get in there and try to ride it up and then trail it. So this one would have worked perfect. That third candle after the top, you would have caught it, at that 503, rode it up to 520s, but it didn't have the follow through. So
Yep.
So yeah, the flags right now are definitely not the right trading style. And that's what's cool about having everybody in here too that trades different and then tells us how they trade, because we can have a solid way to trade, and it may work for 2 weeks, and then it may not work again for 2 weeks.
Yep.
So you got to be able to adapt and say, okay, wait a minute, that's not playing like that right now. Yesterday, I couldn't catch the bottom to save my life, and it ate me up. I should have been shorting it all day long.
Yep. Exactly. But again, that's the power of the collective as well. When you guys are saying, your levels and stuff like that, even if it's a conflicting, long versus short ideology, it still might help each other, because, if one guy's looking for a long, for example, at the 500s, and we're at the 560s, and one person's thinking, hey, this is a good short opportunity right now, then that helps out the short person as well, because they can say, all right, well, I'm going to go short down to maybe the 500s where this guy's looking to now get long, so hell yeah, guys. Collectiveness, the treehouse of trust. The fuck. All right, gang, it's 10:59. Unfortunately, I do have to get going. I wish today was a little bit of a better day, but whenever you can end on a Friday green, it's a good day. It's been an absolutely beautiful week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and Trading Cowboy. Please, as always, make sure if you haven't done it yet, please like, please also subscribe, and make sure to pop over to Trading Cowboy's channel and like and subscribe as well. Oh, shoot. Actually, what are you at, man?
Let's see. Come on. Be good, be good.
Come on, baby.
Oh, 997. Come on, guys.
997, guys. So
Come
you gotta
on,
give
guys.
3 more. We need to give the gentleman 3 more so we can break
Come
that
on.
1,000. Let's get this thing
All
to
your
really
friends,
accelerate.
Go to Google, get you some more emails.
Exactly. Call up your wife. Call up your girlfriend. Call up the mistress. Get them all.
Yeah.
Get them all on. Oh, God. But
Not
yeah,
at the same time.
Yep. All right. Love you guys to death. Stay green today. Pop on over to Cowboys channel so you guys can keep rocking and rolling. Otherwise, we will see you bright and early Monday morning at... Man, you don't want to do a Sunday thing. All right. We'll talk about it later. But maybe in the Discord, if we ever decide to do a Sunday night thing, we'll let you know in the Discord, which is another very important reason. Hold on. Let me post it real quick. Very important reason for you to be in our... It's actually $200 a month Discord, but right now it's free. Today only. And only if you join today, it's free. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, love you guys to death. Do you want to say anything, Cowboy? Take it away.
No, Marco, I'm going to be waiting, okay? I'm going to be waiting. As soon as I hit 999, I'm going to be looking for your name to pop up.
Yeah, bud. Because he knows. Somehow Marco knows that the actual 1,000 follower gets a G-Wagon. Somehow he knows, and he's trying to sandbag it so he can be that 1,000th.
That could be the one.
All right, gang. We'll
Thanks,
see y'all
guys. We'll
later.
see y'all shortly.